Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can import media into Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in my Cut tab, and this is just an empty timeline and an empty project that I have created. And as you can see, I have the media pool open. You can also do the same through the Edit tab, so you can do whatever you want, but I'll be doing it through the Cut tab. Now, what you're going to want to do here is just right click and click on import media, or you can just drag and drop the media that you want. For example, like so, if I drag and drop the image, it'll be added to the media pool. You can also click Control I, and then you can browse through your computer and select an image or video or audio and add it that way. But yeah, that's pretty much how you add media into Davinci Resolve. It is very simple. You can just drag and drop it. That is the best way to do this. There are other different things. So, for example, if you want to import an image sequence, the first thing you want to do is go to media storage in the media tab, click these three dots, select sequence, and then once you go to import, you're going to want to go to your file and select multiple images, and then they should import as a singular image sequence, or you want to go to the edit page for this, I guess, and then once you import it, it'll import as a singular image sequence, and that is what you're going to want. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.